Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and today we will unbox this brand new board from VERREAL and it's called VERREAL RS Pro Max. Let's go! Okay, let's do it. So, while we will unbox this board, I'll tell you something about VERREAL. VERREAL is a smaller e-skate brand located, of course, in China, and they are not that popular as, for example, Meepo or Backfire or X-Way, because they are a lot smaller. And the thing is, actually, their boards are, for the price, really good, and it's shame that not much people know about them, because the price ratio for what you get is really good. And currently there are probably not boards that are this good for the money. Maybe Ace Deck, but Ace Deck is making boards that are $1,500 plus. VERREAL makes also boards around $600. And yeah, this is, if I'm not mistaken, their newest model, and let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is the board. In the past I already had few VERREAL boards because it was really affordable option for what you got, and this is the board I never had before. It's RS Pro Max, and I'll tell you some specs and information about the board later, but this is how the board looks. And now, what's in the box? As usually, Vic put some business cards in here. By the way, Vic is founder and owner of VERREAL boards. He's really nice and chill guy. Then here we have some warning label. Your board may disconnect with remote control at any time due to radio interference, blah blah blah. Here we have skate tool, again pretty standard thing. Imbus, charger for remote, the remote, which is again Hobbywing remote, and here we have the charger. Let's look how many amps it is. So this one is 2.5 amps. So it's not like really fast charger, it's on the slower side, but let's be honest, do you need faster charger? Maybe, but for example the Power Evo GT has 2 amps charger, so like it's not bad. So here is the board itself, and again I'll take you a little bit closer. Okay, so here is the board itself. It's pretty sleek, nice design. It's actually pretty simple, black and gray grip tape with VERREAL logo right here. Here another logo on the trucks. It's belt driven board. There are beige guards that are for protection of the motors and the drivetrain, which is good because you can also take the board by this. And this version is with matte wheels. These wheels are awesome. They are 105 millimeters. The contact patch is 70 millimeters, which is really a lot. And I heard they are really good. Wanted to test them out, so now finally we'll do a separate review for these wheels for sure. And yeah, let's flip the board on the other side. Okay, so as usual, this is wooden deck. I think the deck is same or pretty much every VERREAL RS. It's hard wooden deck, and also this enclosure is probably the same again for every RS. Trucks, double kingpin tracks, again for every RS board, same. They are pretty good. They are simple, but I think personally that they are pretty stable at high speeds and they are good at carving, but I'll probably change bushings to my own. And yeah, motors are on the smaller side. To be honest, they look a little bit smaller, but they look similar to the boards on the Flex Pro V3. So now let's turn the board on. For the first time we need to also turn the board on. And here it is. So it's this better remote with more bars, so it's more accurate. It has 31 kilometers already, but that's due to the testing. And yeah. It's pretty noisy, to be honest. Maybe I'll need to adjust belts a little bit, but it's working. It's pretty customizable too. And yeah, it also looks, it's maybe waterproof. We'll test it out too, because here is rubber around the enclosure, which looks pretty solid. And yeah, overall, this board, for the money, this board is awesome, in my opinion. On the website, you can find discount codes pretty often, if I'm not mistaken. I think that right now there is $150 US dollars discount code on their website. So if you like the look of this board and the specs, yeah, I think it's pretty good option. But for sure, of course, we'll do detailed review on this board really soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later in the review. See ya, bye.